CSCS Practice Test 2026 Certified Strength Conditioning Specialist Exam Questions Prep. Question 1. Which exercise is a closed chain upper body movement? Neutral grip lat pull down, single arm TRX row, barbell bench press, Pallof press. TRX rows move the body relative to stationary hands, making it a closed chain movement. Question 2. How many reps are typically programmed at 85% of 1 RM for maximum strength? 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 8 to 12, 15 to 20. 85% 1 RM is typically associated with a 6 rep max, so 2 to 4 reps allow for quality strength work. Question 3. 1 gram of dietary fat contains how many calories? 4, 7, 9, 12. Fat contains 9 calories per gram, while protein and carbs contain 4. Question 4. The sagittal plane divides the body into top and bottom, front and back, left and right, diagonal sections. The sagittal plane creates left and right halves. Question 5. Which exercise primarily targets the gluteus medius? Dumbbell Romanian deadlift, lateral expand walks, barbell push press, leg extension. Lateral walks target the abductors, primarily the gluteus medius. Question 6. Which of the following is not an effect of a proper warm-up? Increased blood flow, improved reaction time, enhanced static flexibility, lowered muscle resistance. Static flexibility is better addressed in a cool-down. Warm-ups focus on dynamic range of motion. Question 7. The Scientific Foundations section of the CSCS exam has how many scored questions? 48, 80, 95, 125. The Scientific Foundations section has 80 scored questions, out of 95 total. Question 8. Which energy system is primary during a 100-meter sprint? Oxidative, glycolytic, phosphagen, lipolysis. High-intensity bursts under 10 seconds rely on the ATP-CP, phosphagen, system. Question 9. What is the recommended protein intake for an elite strength athlete per kg of body weight? 0.8 g, 1.2 g, 1.4-1.7 g, 3.0 g. Strength athletes generally need 1.4 to 1.7 g/kg. Question 10. In the applied section, which domain has the most questions? Exercise technique, program design, organization and admin, testing and eval. Program design is the largest domain in the practical/applied section. Question 11. Which of these is a symptom of overtraining syndrome? Increased resting heart rate, decreased body fat, improved sleep, increased appetite. Elevated resting heart rate is a common marker of autonomic overtraining. Question 12. A vertical jump test primarily measures lower body endurance, upper body power, lower body power, maximal strength. Vertical jump is a gold standard for explosive power. Question 13. During the power phase of a periodized program, intensity is typically low, 50%, moderate, 70%, high, 85 to 95%, very low, 30%. Power training often uses high intensities or high velocity movements at moderate loads. Question 14. Which hormone is primarily responsible for protein synthesis and muscle growth? Cortisol, glucagon, testosterone, estrogen. Testosterone and growth hormone are key anabolic drivers. Question 15. A superset involves 2 exercises for the same muscle. 2 exercises for opposing muscles, 3 exercises in a row, 1 exercise for 50 reps. A superset typically pairs agonist and antagonist, opposing muscles. Question 16. What is the first step in the needs analysis process? Testing the athlete, budgeting equipment, evaluating the sport and athlete, choosing exercises. Evaluation of the sport's demands and the athlete's current status is step 1. Question 17. Which grip is most common for the power clean? Pronated, supinated, hook grip, neutral. The hook grip is standard for Olympic lifts to secure the bar. Question 18. Agility differs from change of direction, COD, because it includes slower movement, a reactive component, linear speed only, static balance. Agility is a COD in response to a stimulus. Question 19. Bioenergetics refers to the study of muscle cells, the flow of energy in a biological system, psychology of sport, weightlifting mechanics. Bioenergetics is the transformation of macronutrients into usable energy. Question 20. Standard bar weight for a men's Olympic bar is 15 kilograms, 20 kilograms, 25 kilograms, 45 kilograms. A standard men's bar weighs 20 kilograms, approximate 44 pounds.